Hello, I'm gonna make a confession. So, about my videos, especially those edits, they're all short. Especially those cars. And I mean, why? Obviously, I'm gonna say it's CapCut. Yeah, it is once a little like others, they're CapCut, but if I make videos, they should be good. Alright? But I'm not forcing y'all to say, oh my god, it's this YouTuber so good now. Let let the viewers decide and let the YouTubers decide. Subscribers, should I make a Grow Garden compilation or not? Show me in the comments. Well, I couldn't, but if you like this video all the way to 50 or 1K or something like that, I'll do it. If it even gets to 2K, I'll let that happen. Alright. See you, people.